What is going on? Welcome back, everybody, to the watch list. Today was a super slow day, but a pretty good day for the market. So we're gonna jump right in to this watch list. Cue the intro. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, so you guys can see based off of everything, you guys can see the volume in here. Today was the slowest day in forever. I mean, I can't remember the last time it was really this slow, especially on SPY. I mean, yes, it doesn't really look much different on QQQ, or this is Cisco, but on QQQ. But let me tell you, this is dramatically different compared to where we have been, guys. The lack of volume has been absolutely killer here lately. And so something I want to go over is not only I want to recall something from the past before we get into what's really producing this rally in the stock market is Cisco. So Cisco is one that I called a little while ago. I called for puts on this play. I believe you guys all said that it wasn't going to go fall further than this one. It fell further, and then it kind of stayed flat again, and then it just keeps falling further and further. They had news today that their lawsuit, they are getting a lawsuit. There is a lawsuit against them. Sorry, I can't speak on multiple things. So they're actually not looking very good here, and I don't know how many people have watched that, but they have to pay $1.9 billion in a patent lawsuit, guys. That I know some of you guys are thinking they're billionaires anyway, they don't care. That affects revenue tremendously for this company. So I want you guys to definitely watch that one. Again, if you guys know my strategy, you guys have known that this company's going to fall. And if you did just a little bit of research, it had all of the pieces to it on this one. So congrats to everybody that ever played this one. Good job. Now, I want to go on ahead over to what's really pushing this market. So we're going to, again, I'm not big on articles, but this article right here is really what is pushing this market. And Dow climbs as bulls show strength on Trump's discharge news of energy rally. Nobody cares about an energy rally. Everybody cares that Trump is leaving the hospital already, which is what is slowly just pushing this market all the way back up. Again, let's go back and look here. We came up with the highs here. We have fallen the past few weeks really hard again. Got down into the 320 area, and now we are climbing back. We got above the 200, which is a big thing, and CNBC has been talking about it. They always talk about the 200 EMA or a 200 moving average or SMA, whichever one you want to use. They just say moving average because they never want to be specific with you. But this is a big deal. Apple, no volume. Guys, Apple always has volume. That's what Apple's known for. It's a very liquid stock. Same with SPY or Spider, whatever you want to call it. They are very liquid stocks to buy, or ETF for when it comes down to Spider. QQQ, again, the NASDAQ. Very liquid. Right now, look at the volume on this, guys. This is sad and pathetic. When there's no volume, this thing doesn't either... When it's supposed to go lower and nothing happens, it stays flat because there's no volume. There's no sell-off volume. When there's no volume and there's good news and Trump's being released, we push. Now, don't get me wrong. We had a good day today, but it doesn't make up for Friday evening's loss. So there's not a whole lot to really be looking for here. If you guys watched last night's, you know the 5 things that we're really looking for. I thought that article was great that I covered yesterday. Be on the watch out for this one as well, of just watching what's going on with the presidential race and stuff like that, guys. I don't care about the news. You guys know that. But right now, when there's no volume, news is moving everything. So it is something to definitely watch. Again, if I were you, I would not be going to CNN or anything like that. I would literally get the app, investing.com. There's Market Watch, there's Seeking Alpha, and you guys can literally Seeking Alpha, you guys can see it pulls it right up here. Market Watch, I believe, is not free. I almost typed in free, but you guys can see all of these different things. Oh, that's not what I wanted it to pull up, though. But they're going to give you a bunch of stuff. Again, Market Watch, I believe they make you pay for stuff. But investing.com is 100% free, guys. There's just a bunch of ads. You get around it. You're going to get the same info. Definitely, if I was one of you guys, I would be getting the app. And I would be just kind of tracking what's going on right now. Because news will affect this market when there is low volume, guys. Thank you guys all for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow morning.